Today we're gonna teach you how to make a really amazing Halloween cocktail really quickly. Hey everyone, I'm Chris.
And I'm Clay.
And today we're gonna teach you how to make the caramel apple cider cocktail.
Yum.
Let's do it. All you need are 3 ingredients, so it's super easy to make. First, you need caramel flavored vodka. Next, you need just any kind of apple cider, like the fresh stuff. What are you laughing at?
Vodka? It sounds like that video
Vodka?
where the
Look,
lady's
look,
like,
look.
look, look, look.
2 shots of vodka.
And then a little vodka, which we'll get to that in a second. So after the caramel flavored vodka, you need apple cider. I just got this at the local grocery store. And you're gonna top off the cocktail with a little Prosecco at the very end. So now let's mix it up.
So, well, we're obviously using a little Mickey glass. One of y'all got this for us, so thank you very
Can't quite
much.
see it. Well, you can't see it in this lighting, but it says Chris and Clay, and probably most importantly, actually most importantly it says our name, but it also has Mickey on it. Big ol' ice cube.
Big ol' ice cube and a like fake ice cube that lights up.
Yeah, I got these for a Halloween party. I first saw this at Disney World. Just that, just ice and fake ice. That's the drink.
Cheers.
You want to pour in your desired amount of alcohol. I'm gonna do like a shot. Maybe a little more. For me, it's a little third of the glass. Next, it's time for the apple cider. Apple cider time. This one we already had open. I'm gonna do almost all the way full with apple cider, and then we're gonna top it off with the Prosecco. We also had this one open because we had some Halloween-y friends over last night. So you top it off with a Prosecco, and you do a little stir. I don't have any fancy little cocktail spoons. And if your Prosecco is freshly opened, it might bubble a little more than that just did. But that's it, just those 3 ingredients. And you have yourself a caramel apple cocktail. It's just so good. And the light up feature is also just a bonus.
Delish. I feel like we should have put the light up one underneath it so that the whole drink lit up.
Stand by. Wow, look how cool that looks. I highly recommend them for your Halloween or fall gatherings. And the good thing about it is it's delicious and so quick to make with only 3 ingredients. You can't go wrong. So that's our cocktail. Cheers.
Cheers, queers.
Cheers, queers. That glowing ice cube is really cute. I just got it on Amazon, so easy to find.
We also made 3 like Halloween themed cocktails, or I guess like fall themed cocktails last year. So if you want more recommendations for some fun cocktails, click the link here. I don't know.
Also,
Why don't you use
a
that
caramel
to
apple
stir
sucker. I'm gonna stir it, and then
it? Yumzoles.
that's dangerous. I wouldn't want to put it in there like long term because the stick would probably start to, I don't know,
Disintegrate.
fizz the walls. Holy shnikes, that's good. That's it. You know how to make the drink. This is a little fun topper for it, and ice cube's a bonus. But 3 ingredients, you got a cocktail.
Yay!
Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween!